You are watching Fodder Block making machine, which is used to make solid blocks from agriculture waste. These blocks are composed of various ingredients such as hay, straw, grains, and supplements. This machine is designed specifically for livestock animal feed purposes. The machine helps enhance feed quality, reduce wastage, and ensure consistent nutrition, making it a valuable tool for animal husbandry and agricultural practices. Advance Hydrau-Tech, one of the leading manufacturer of fodder block making machine in India. Contact us today for more details.